How to set profile picture on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set profile picture on BeReal. First open BeReal and after that click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points here and after that click on your profile and then click set profile picture, and that's it. Now you can select it from your photo or your photo gallery or your camera, and that's it. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.